Hi, welcome back to my channel. So for this hairstyle, I'm using a spray bottle, both my Extreme Wetline Gel and Gorilla Snot. Then I'm using a hard bristle brush, a Denmen brush, and my edge brush. Then I'm using these colorful hairpins. I'm starting out by sectioning off the front portion of my hair by making a side part. Also, that stuff on my hands and there's some of my hairs from the Gorilla Snot because this is my third time trying this hairstyle and I still had a lot of gel left over, so that's what that is. Then I'm sectioning off the rest of the hair, and my part wasn't really straight, but I don't think it has to be because you won't be able to really see that anyways. And now I'm tying up the front section and moving on to the bun. And here I was fixing the part, but I wanted to do the bun in sections to avoid losing the side part. So now for the bun, I'm spraying the roots with water and I'm going to put gel on the roots and brush it up. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. After combining both sections together, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Gorilla Snot on my roots and brush it up some more. And after brushing it up, I'm going to go ahead and put it into a high bun. Now for the front, I'm going to go ahead and move and split it into two and then use water and then the Denmen brush to smooth it down. So after I brush through both sections, I'm going to go ahead and use some more Gorilla Snot. And I'm going to use both my fingers and the hard bristle brush to smooth it down and to help create the swoop. I'm adding the hairpins to it. I only put one in first just to hold that down, and then I'm smoothing and slicking it down some more and getting it in shape. And then I'm going to add some more clips to hold that down. And I decided to leave that little piece in the back out. I put water and then gel on it and try to like curl it up a little bit, but I wanted to leave that out instead of putting it back into the bun. Now I'm putting some more Gorilla Snot on my hair and brushing it up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. So this little piece of hair that I pulled out from the bun, I just wanted to have that out. So I'm spraying it with water and putting gel on it. And then I'm just slicking and making sure everything else looks fine. And yeah. So here I tried to like pull out like the baby hairs or like a little swoop there. I couldn't really do it, so I just left it out. But I tried to do that on both sides. Alright, so this is the final look of the hairstyle. I did decide to leave that piece out in the back. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But that's it. Hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe for more content from me. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!